All right, it's Ray again back here. I've got my thermostat turned on, and I'm gonna fire this thing up, and we can look at what it's doing and see if we can figure something out here. I'm gonna try to monitor or hold the light. Let's see, that's not gonna work. That's a little bit better. That way you guys can see what my oil pressure and my air pressure stays at. I'm gonna turn this on here. So basically, another little side note. So what happens is, this is a high voltage PID, and this is a low voltage PID with a thermocouple and solid state relay inside the box here. This high voltage relay, I use it because, like I said, that's what I had, and because I needed to have low voltage to turn the whole PID on, and I bought the wrong one, and therefore I haven't wired it up to where everything is. I haven't rewired it to eliminate this PID and help clean stuff up inside the box. But basically, this PID, as soon as the thermostat turns on, the low voltage runs on this one to fire this PID up. This PID heats up the nozzle block, and when it gets to a certain temperature, the alarm function of this PID over here, PID 1 I'm calling it, turns on the burner, or turns on the primary and everything. This one here that I ordered, this low voltage one, it did not have the alarm function, and therefore I don't want my nozzle block being heated at all times, and so that's the reason I went with that setup. So I'll show a quick little inside view while it's all running. Like I said, there's my solid state relay. My primary controller is in there, and then all my wiring is tucked away. So I've got this is all in Celsius. As you see, I have my chart. I have the base value here at 70 degrees Celsius, which is around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. My alarm function is set to 60 degrees Celsius, which is around 140. I might need to turn that, adjust that a little bit. I wanted to give a shot of thermostat over here. So we're looking at about 30 degrees in my garage right now, give or take. So power it back up. As you see, that's what it's doing. If I turn, roll it down a little bit, it seems to run kind of smooth. I'm getting a little bit of baro dampening out of it. Actually, for not being turned on for a few days, that's the smoothest this thing has ever fired up for me. The oil pressure's jumping, but I mean, everything's cold, so that could attribute to it. My oil pump shooting a little bit over 60. Again, cold oil, I'm assuming. hard to see, but I mean, it's fairly bright. It surprisingly doesn't look too smoky tonight. I haven't fired it up for about a week. Pressure's still jumping around. I'm gonna let it run for a minute here, and I might get another video over here. Thanks for watching.